Well, Nice is a wonderful city on the world-famous French Riviera. It is nestled between the Mediterranean Sea and gentle mountains. It enjoys 300 days of sunshine a year, and there is no better time in the year than late spring to be in Nice. Yes, we chose this slogan in particular relating to knowledge. The French seed industry has a very long tradition dating back from the mid-18th century with the very famous Mr. de Villemorin. And ever since, we had a lot of activities going on French soil, research activities, academia, all leading to very vibrant seed industry. In particular, today, our French seed farmers are very renowned for their knowledge and their ability to produce world-class quality seed that we export a lot to the world. Well, if you go to the World Seed Congress, particularly in Nice next year, you will be amongst hundreds of seeds professionals that will gather and be there to share their passion, their thirst for knowledge, and enjoy a very nice setting in that wonderful city of Nice.